Hello everyone, my name is SHANMUKHA SRI VYSHNAV. I am a web developer. You are seeing the e-commerce website that I am working and practicing while doing my course of React.js. This is the full-fledged app, but we have a question to build structure of e-commerce website like given in the question without styling, only with the working of login and logout, transferring the pages between and other components as root and path. This video will be on a time lapse, but either voice will be understandable and code will have smooth and slow to understand you. Okay, let's start the process. Oof. It has started, no problem. I have entered into a app component to define the entire component into app. To show how this is work as a nav bars and home pages, login pages, logout pages and page components, then shifted to one by one to redirect to all the structure components with exact path to connect the pages. Now enjoy some music. Then login page has the main part to struggle into the path, add and remove the path and authentication and authorization. This means the person has to must and should log in compulsory to have access to this e-commerce website. In that a people cannot have access to this. Okay, then enjoy the music and redirect the structure part of the website. Here is the last component that I am defining. This is the login page where we can access and log into the website, where through the entire page will be managing through the login and logout pages. Access and unauthorization person cannot be used in this. We define the login button and logout button to active logins and logouts. This will be maintained from the cookies and JWT token. This is called as a JSON web token. This allows the access login and logout pages. Then we will define into the null page as not found. We can access through the some other constant authorization users and unauthorized users within the website links who cannot be accessed through the null pages. And this is the final look of the page where we can log in and log out through the application. This is without selecting the styling and other things. And this is we can maintain in the page. Here is the last and final submit of the code practice. Here the entire page will be shown after this product submission, and then we'll enter the page of what is going on the product page and what the product is been submitted in the project that I have working on. Okay. Now this is the question based output of UI with a non-styling and transferring the path and routes inequally. This is the page of fully styled and login and logout pages where the user can access all the products and the home pages within this login. When the user is not accessed or not logged in, he or she cannot be used this website. And this is the basic component. And now I will show the full-fledged app with the products, home and cart. This is the based on basic UI format. This is the username and login. Here is the product section. It means product, path or route. We call it as a product component or path or route. This is the basic structure where it can be accessed fully fledged components of products. This is a sample and hope you guys much like this video and the page. Thank you for watching and have a good day. We'll meet on a next video. Thank you so much and bye-bye.
Yo, let me tell you about my boy SHANMUKHA SRI VYSHNAV, that's the name he came through. Energy so bright like the morning sun. When he steps in the room, yeah, the party's begun. Got that swagger, got that style so clean. Living life like he's living the dream. Vyshnav vibes, man, he's raising the bar. Shining so bright like a midnight star. SHANMUKHA SRI VYSHNAV, he's the king of the show. Moves so slick like he's running the flow.